Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to turn off journal notification. The journal app on iPhone allows users to write down their thoughts, experience and reflections in a digital format. It has a lot of great features including multimedia support, security and availability of prompts. However, Apple's journal app is not as popular as you may think. The app has many drawbacks. Common issue that iPhone users have is that they keep getting journal notifications even though they do not use the app. By default, notifications for the journal app are enabled. Depending on your settings, the number of notifications you get will vary. If you are not using the journal app, you can remove it from your iPhone. To remove it, find the app icon on your home screen. Press and hold it and then tap on remove app. When the app is gone, its notification will be gone too and you are done. If you do not want to remove the app but only stop its notification, you can change your settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on notifications. Next, scroll down and find journal and journal suggestion from the list of apps. Tap on it. Next, open each and turn off the allow notification option and you are done. Alternatively, you can also change your notification settings via the journal app settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to the journal option. Tap on it. Next, tap on notifications and then turn off allow notifications. Then tap journal suggestions and then suggestion notification settings. You can turn off allow notifications here and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of turn off journal notifications, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.